In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable all of your country names inside of Google Earth Pro so that you can show where all of the countries are. Okay, so this is a good geography tool. Use it how you want to use it. Here's what you do. You go over to the Layers tab, which is on the left-hand side here, and then you're going to have under your layers, you're going to have something that says Borders and Layers right here, and then you're just going to pop open layers. Sorry, you're going to pop open borders, right? And then you're just going to click on country names, right? And then that is going to populate all of your country names. Now, if you want to add the borders too, you just hit international borders, and that will show you the borders of all of these countries, right? So there you have it. That's how you enable the country names overlay and the international borders overlay inside of Google Earth Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you a lot, and have a good one.